Welcome! We're focusing on hybrid project questions where only 1% of PMP aspirants succeed. This video covers 10 exam-level scenarios focusing on adaptive leadership and decision-making. The exam trap is thinking in extremes. In hybrid projects, the answer is rarely extreme. It's about finding the right balance. Think like a PMP, not a textbook reader. Q1. Governance conflict. Development is agile, but governance is predictive, demanding upfront documentation. The best first step is to educate stakeholders on hybrid benefits and negotiate governance flexibility. Alignment is key before escalation. Q2. Scope volatility. The Agile team adds features, but the predictive schedule is delayed. The best action is to prioritize the backlog within agreed scope boundaries. The hybrid principle is controlled flexibility, using guardrails to maintain agility. Q3. Stakeholder resistance. Senior stakeholders demand a final product at once. The best action is to conduct demos to build confidence. Visibility builds trust, breaking down resistance systematically through Agile reviews. Q4. Team conflict. Agile team members resist documentation required by the predictive PMO. Collaborate to define just enough documentation. Balance agility with governance by defining the minimum viable process collaboratively. Q5. Risk management clash. Risks are tracked formally in a predictive register and informally in Agile stand-ups. Integrate Agile risks into the formal register. Integration is better than duplication, which creates blind spots. Q6. Change request overload. Formal change requests are slowing Agile delivery. Route all changes to backlog refinement. The Agile backlog should be the universal intake valve for managing changes efficiently. Q7. Vendor management. Vendors use predictive contracts, but your team is Agile. Align deliverables with sprint milestones. Synchronize. Don't force methodology shifts. Map contract deliverables to iteration endpoints. Q8. Performance measurement. Sponsor wants earned value metrics, but the Agile team uses velocity. Map Agile metrics to EVM reporting. The PM translates Agile execution metrics into predictive governance reporting. Q9. Communication breakdown. Daily stand-ups are effective, but management lacks structured reporting. Add formal status reports alongside Agile communication. Implement dual communication protocols for different stakeholder layers. Q10. Project failure risk. The hybrid project is failing due to unclear boundaries. At the start, you should define the hybrid framework, roles, and governance clearly. Success requires intentional, upfront architecture of the hybrid boundaries. This table summarizes the hybrid solutions to bridge predictive and Agile approaches. The hybrid solution finds the balance between fixed boundaries and volatile feedback, formal risk tracking and informal discovery, and various metrics. Here are the 5 laws of hybrid project management. Remember: alignment over escalation, balance agility with governance, integration over duplication, translate over dictate, and ensure clear design upfront. By understanding these principles, you've mastered the blueprint for tough PMP hybrid scenarios. Stop reading textbooks. Start thinking like a project manager. Subscribe for more exam-crushing case studies.